Ms. Adalyn Scherer, thank you for coming today. Please introduce yourselves.
My name is
Yeah.
Matt. Oh,
Matt, whoops, sorry. I thought we were starting on the other side.
I'm Tiffany.
Ruth Shear.
Jack Scherer.
Bronwyn Southwell.
hi, I'm Caleb.
Thank you so much for coming today, guys. I wanted to take the time to tell you guys a little bit about the process. So by definition, according to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, recycling is the process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be thrown in the trash and turning them into new products. Recycling is around us all the time. Products are reused from the materials they are and put into new things. For example, this are plastic water bottles, plastic bags, and toothbrushes. These things can be used from fresh plastic and then reused again and made into new versions of themselves. So how are things recycled? Recycled plants are similar to waste management plants, but the process is different. The first step is collection. So all recycled materials can be transported to the facility through curbside collection, which is similar to how you put your trash out the end of your driveway. You also would put the recycling there, and big trucks will drive them to the plant and deliver them there. The other kind is drop-off centers, where people actually bring their own recyclables and bring them to the place that they would be processed. And the third is deposit or refund centers, which is where you can bring your items and you'll actually get a refund back. There's like a couple cents, sometimes a little bit more, depending on the type of item that you bring. So the first part of the actual process, after things are collected, they'll be put on a big conveyor belt and take it to what's called the liberator. This is and it actually kind of breaks up all the plastic. There's a lot of space in all the items. For example, if you have like a big bag of plastic bags, it will separate them into the individual bags by themselves. It can be easier to process. So the second thing is spinning discs, which are about 2.5 inches apart, and it takes all of the material and throws it around, so anything less than 2.5 inches falls to the bottom, which targets the glass in the mixed recyclables. And these are taken to a different glass where it's turned into aggregate and then used to make more glass products. After the spinning disc is taken to a big rotating metal magnet, which collects the ferrous metals, things like aluminum and tin. And then a normal screen is used to separate the items by size, like small tin cans or big metal furniture. And then they're separated by 2D and 3D objects, so it will actually blow paper to a different part of the facility while heavier plastics will hang. And then after that, infrared light is used to determine what type of plastics are present so they can be further processed. The second step after it has been sorted is what's called baling, where you take all of it and crush it into like one box for shipping. And once they're in big square things, they'll be put on trucks and transported places. And then once that will be manufactured into new products, which for glass products are melted down, they can be recolored and reshaped and then off to new places. Metals also if you heat off to new places, and then plastic cut up and melted down and used to pour into new molds. So why is it? Well, recycling is important as it has great environmental benefits, community benefits, and economic gains. So through recycling, we conserve more resources and we pollute the world less, which is important because of climate change. And then communities, it's better to live near a recycling plant than a landfill because of there's less problems as if you live near a landfill or a waste management place. And it also introduced 681,000 jobs in just one plant and provides about $38.7 billion in wages. So I hope you guys learned a little bit more about recycling. Thank you so much for coming out.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was excellent.
Yeah.
Yep. Cool.